Creating a multi-screen setup with 6 TVs requires choosing the right connection method. There are 3 primary approaches, each with distinct advantages for different scenarios. HDMI splitters are the most straightforward method. A 1x6 splitter takes a single input source and distributes identical content to all 6 TVs simultaneously. For 6 or more displays, powered splitters are essential to maintain signal integrity over longer cable runs. EDID management is crucial because it handles different TV resolutions and capabilities automatically. This ensures compatibility across all screens, even when TVs have different specifications or manufacturers. Video wall controllers offer professional-grade solutions for complex multi-screen layouts. They provide advanced features like bezel compensation, content scaling, and support for various input types including HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA connections. Network-based distribution using IPTV systems converts video signals into network streams. This method utilizes multicast technology for efficient bandwidth usage when displaying identical content across all TVs, making it highly scalable for large installations. Network-based systems excel in commercial environments where centralized control and management are essential. The infrastructure allows for remote monitoring, content updates, and system maintenance across all connected displays. Each method serves different needs. HDMI splitters offer simplicity and cost-effectiveness for basic setups. Video wall controllers provide professional features for complex installations. Network-based distribution delivers scalability and centralized management for enterprise environments. When connecting 6 TVs together, signal integrity becomes your most critical consideration. The quality of your video signal can make or break your entire setup. Standard HDMI cables have significant length limitations. Most consumer HDMI cables can reliably transmit signals up to about 50 feet before signal degradation becomes noticeable. For longer distances, fiber optic extenders provide the solution. These devices can transmit HDMI signals over much greater distances while maintaining perfect signal quality. Bandwidth is equally critical for your multi-TV setup. Each display requires substantial data throughput, especially for high-resolution content. 4K content requires 18 gigabits per second per display. With 6 TVs, you're looking at over 100 gigabits per second of total bandwidth. This massive bandwidth requirement is why HDMI version compatibility matters so much. Older HDMI versions simply cannot handle the data throughput needed for multiple 4K displays. The display technology landscape is rapidly evolving. 8K adoption is accelerating, bringing even higher bandwidth demands and stunning visual quality. High dynamic range, or HDR, support is becoming standard across multi-display setups. HDR provides dramatically improved contrast and color accuracy compared to traditional displays. Gaming applications are driving demand for ultra-low latency splitters. Modern gaming setups require sub-millisecond response times to maintain competitive performance. Market trends are making multi-TV setups more accessible than ever. Consumer-grade 6-way splitters that once cost thousands are now available for under $200. Plug-and-play solutions are eliminating the complexity that once required professional installation. Modern splitters automatically handle resolution negotiation and signal optimization. Looking toward the future, wireless multi-display technology is set to dominate the market. Industry predictions suggest 60% of new installations will be wireless by 2027. Artificial intelligence will optimize content distribution automatically. AI systems will analyze viewing environments and adjust display settings, resolution, and content routing in real time. Sustainability is driving innovation in energy-efficient displays and distribution equipment. New systems consume up to 50% less power while delivering superior performance. These considerations and trends will shape how you approach your 6 TV setup. Planning for future technologies ensures your investment remains relevant and expandable as the industry evolves.